Hey guys, this is Flutter under minutes and I am Sanjeev. Are you guys bored of using a fixed app bar? Let us try a new app bar in this video. It is not actually new app bar, it is a SliverAppBar. First, let me clear all the stuffs inside the scaffold. Now add a body. Inside body, custom scroll view. Now sliver, inside sliver app bar. Let me give a height of expanded height of 250 and a flexible space bar. Title text Goa. Let me hot reload the app. Now we would get a expanded app bar. Now let us create a list view body, sliver list, delegate, sliver child builder delegate. Inside this add a underscore comma int index. Now let us return a list style. Title, let the title be text. Let the title be places index +1. Here let me add a child count of 100. Hot reload the app. Here we got something like a expanded list view with a expanded app bar. Let us try adding a image to the app bar. Background image dot network. Let me copy this image from Unsplash and paste it here. Hot reload the app. Now we would get an image, but it is not fitted, so let me add a box fit dot fill. Hot reload the app. Now we have got a perfect list view with a SliverAppBar. Let's meet in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.